At what temperature does boiling water kill germs?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a simple but essential question. At what temperature does boiling water kill germs? It's a topic that touches on daily activities, from cooking to cleaning, and even survival scenarios.
What are germs?
Before we jump into the main topic, let's quickly define what we mean by germs. Germs are microorganisms that can cause diseases. They include bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. While not all of these microorganisms are harmful, some can cause serious illnesses.
How does heat kill germs?
Next, let's talk about the mechanism of heat sterilization. Heat kills germs by denaturing their proteins, which is a fancy way of saying it alters their structure, rendering them non-functional. Essentially, high heat can break down the structure of the germ, causing it to die.
The magic temperature.
Now, onto the main question. At what temperature does boiling water kill germs? Generally, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit at sea level. At this temperature, many common disease-causing germs will die almost immediately, including most bacteria and viruses. However, some more resilient forms of bacteria, like certain spores and prions, require temperatures above boiling and extended exposure to be completely neutralized.
How long should we boil water?
But just reaching the boiling point isn't the whole story. The duration of boiling also matters. For the vast majority of germs, a few minutes of boiling is sufficient. However, for those hardy germs like certain bacterial spores, a standard recommendation is to boil the water for at least 10 minutes to ensure safety. And that wraps up our discussion. Remember, boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit for a few minutes is a simple yet powerful way to kill most germs. However, for those stubborn ones, an extended boiling time of at least 10 minutes is recommended. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.